Say however you feel right now. You might say, I'm angry and frustrated. How do you feel when you say that? And where do you feel it in your body? Let's give it a rating of 0 to 10, 0 being non-existent, and 10 would be the most you could feel. And you can write that down or just make a mental note of it. Let's begin. We're going to start by tapping on the side of the hand and just repeat after me. Even though I'm feeling a lot right now, I know this is part of the process of healing. And the truth is, I get to choose when and how I allow these feelings to dissipate. Even though these feelings are coming up, I recognize it as part of my healing, and I'm choosing to honor them. And even though my body has carried these feelings for a long time, it's carried me too. And even though it's been a lot, I choose to let them go. And I choose to do it with self-care and compassion. Okay, let's go to the top of the head. I'm feeling a lot right now. Eyebrow point. All these feelings. Side of the eye. These feelings are heavy, but they're part of my healing. Under the eye. It's okay to feel frustrated. It's part of the process. Under the nose. My body has lovingly carried this for me. It has stored these feelings for so long. On the chin. Isn't it miraculous that my body has safeguarded this for so long? On the collarbone. If and when I choose, I will allow myself to honor these feelings by letting them go with kindness. Under the arm. It should be okay to feel what I'm feeling right now. Okay, we're going to go back to the top of the head. I'm safe to allow this process to occur. Eyebrow. But there's never a good time for me to feel angry. Side of the eye. I'm not allowed to affect other people with my feelings. Under the eye. Maybe I'm not even allowed to feel them at all. Under the nose. It doesn't feel kind to feel them. On the chin. But I'm in charge now. And I get to decide. Collarbone. I'm choosing to honor my feelings. And I let them go with ease when I'm ready. Under the arm. I get to choose when to release them. And I'll do it with compassion. Okay, back to the top of the head. I am my own authority. I'm safe to feel and release these emotions when I say so. And take a deep breath. And just notice if that number has come down, you can think of the rating from 0 to 10. And we're going to do a second round. So start tapping on the side of your hand again. And just repeat after me. Even though I've been feeling so much, and I'm taking care of me right now, that's okay. And even though others couldn't or wouldn't take care of me or give me what I needed, I choose to give myself the peace, love, and forgiveness I deserve. And even though it's sad that I didn't get what I needed, I can give that to myself. I can direct love and healing to myself now. Okay, we're going to go to the top of the head. I'm taking care of me. Eyebrow point. It's okay to take care of me now. Side of the eye. I choose when and how. Under the eye. To allow my healing. Under the nose. I choose peace and love and forgiveness for myself. On the chin. I can give myself what others couldn't. On the collarbone. I choose to give myself the grace that I needed. And maybe still do. Under the arm. I'm not little anymore, but I can still be the parent that I needed. Okay, top of the head. I choose to direct love and healing to myself now. Eyebrow point. It's sad that others could or wouldn't give me what I needed. Side of the eye. But it's my choice now. And I choose to give myself what I need. Under the eye. I can create peace and love and healing for myself. Under the nose. I give myself forgiveness and grace from my past, my present, and my future. On the chin, I am in charge of my healing now. Collarbone. Isn't it incredible that I can do that? Under the arm, I have the power to give myself what I needed then and what I need now. Let's put our hands over our heart and take a deep breath. And let's re-rate 0 to 10 and just see what that number's at. If you're at a 0 to 1, that's awesome. If you're not yet, you can just keep tapping and breathing, or you could do this video over again. Give yourself some extra kindness today. You can come back to this at any time.